Welcome to NextMatter Tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to create a simple onboarding process that uses the external step functionality. Let's say we want a future team member to provide us with some data. To do that, we need to send them a form to complete by email and record the data. Let's start. First, we are creating a step to fill in by the HR department. The step consists of different input fields for the name and surname, an input field for the email, and a user selection field to select the team member's manager. Now, we need to create the form to send to the future team member. We are assigning it to an external user. Assigning a step to an external user creates a public URL. We'll use the URL to send the form to the future teammate. We'll send the form by email. To do that, we are creating an email step. Creating the email doesn't require any HTML and you can configure it in seconds. You simply type the content or use data references. Data references are bits of data that have been added to the process and which we can reuse in other steps. I'll click the curly brackets to use the data references for the teammate email, name, and the public URL of the form. I'll add the subject and the body of the email. In the body, I'll use the name of the teammate as data reference. We'll also use the public URL to link to the form. Let's look for it in the Data References drop-down. It will be in the References link to Step 2. When the person receives the email and clicks on the link, they will get out form to fill in. We'll move the step up to send the email with the form. Now, let's start the process. I just need to click the play icon. Now, let's complete the form. When I click complete, an email with the form is sent out to the teammate. The email step sends out an email like this one. Now, when the recipient clicks the form link, they get a form to complete. When the form is completed, all the data will be sent to the workflow. And the process completes. All the data is stored in the process. You can also add a step to send it to an external database such as Postgres or Amazon Redshift. If you liked this tutorial, visit us at nextmatter.com and learn more about us.